If you're wondering how to quickly add a card to your Cash App, you're in the right place. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can start making payments or transferring money without any confusion. Stick with me till the end. This is super simple once you know where to look. First, launch the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. That's where all your account settings live. Once you're in your profile, scroll down and select Linked Banks. This is where Cash App keeps all your connected payment methods. Next, tap Link Debit Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card detail, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing ZEED IP code. Make sure all the information is accurate because Cash App will verify it before linking. After you've double-checked everything, hit Link Card. If the information is correct, Cash App will confirm it instantly and your card will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a card to Cash App. Now you can send and receive money faster and even cash out to your card instantly if you need quick access to funds. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides just like this. And if you have questions about Cash App or want me to cover other features, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out.